Okay guys, so we're going to make some vegan cheese sauce. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to need in order to make it. So here we have 3/4 cup of coconut milk. We have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. We have 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour. Here we have half a teaspoon of sea salt, and here we have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. So we're gonna put everything together in the saucepan in order to make our vegan cheese sauce. So I just added in my coconut milk. Now I'm gonna add in my tapioca flour, the nutritional yeast, the garlic powder, and the sea salt. So we're just gonna leave this to thicken up. It might just take a minute or so to do that, and then our vegan cheese sauce will be ready. As you can see, it's starting to get stretchy already. Alright, so that's it. It's finished. It's quite quick and simple to make. So now we can use this to put to make our pizza or whatever coating that we want to use it for. We have our vegan cheese sauce to put in our recipe.